Okay, good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm late in getting this info to you. Couldn't get myself back in the swing of things. So, just as a reminder, our science this week is the simple part in your foundations guide. It's just on page 124. It's got all of your instructions. I'll have two sets of materials. So, we've got our half a cup and a third of a cup because the materials are a third of a cup of Epsom salt and then a half a cup of warm water. And really that water needs to be pretty hot. And so if you can have a mom helper, those downstairs classes, get that ready ahead of time, that can help you. So I've got one glass measuring cup, and then I think this one would work to microwave the third of a cup or the half of a cup in the other class. It's microwavable, that's what I'm trying to say. We've got our Epsom salt, and there's much more of this. They'll be in bags. That's my other material. And then this is the one that kind of follows the guide where you apply it to a glass window or a mirror. And so this showed how it looked when you rubbed it off, and this showed when you didn't rub it off and you let it puddle up a bit. Then the guide says to clean away any excess or drips and let dry. But what we're finding is that if we do this, like we talked about in tutor meeting, then the kids can have something to take home, and it's just easier cleanup. So I'll have this, just one of these to pass around a show. And then like we talked about in tutor meeting, I have the two larger ones to show. And then I don't know if this is gonna work or not because it doesn't have the backlight, but this is pretty amazing. Oh, it's got the film on it still, hang on. Okay, so I got that polarizing film, and then if you put this over it, yeah, I think the lighting's got to be behind it. I'll just let you guys do that tomorrow so that I don't ruin it anymore. Anyway, so that's something just to show, and then the kids are going to be able to paint their salt crystals on black paper. I have to cut it still, but it's all here. And then this is something else that we can show. And then, of course, we've got the magnifying lenses. This is for fun while the crystals are drying. If you need more stuff to do, we'll put 4 of them in the downstairs and 4 of them in the upstairs bucket. And lastly, this is the cornerstone idea if you want to do that, where you let them build, talking about how you have to use the same building material, and you need a seed crystal, and you can't put a Lego with a puzzle piece. And then I was hoping to grab some Lincoln logs or something like that from the church. Y'all can bring your own too. Okay, so that's it for week 19. Week 20 was that layers of the geosphere. I just wanted to show you that I've got all of those things printed. Don't forget you've got these really good questions on that document to get you started. This, you guys, this is Play-Doh. This is 1 pound of Play-Doh. So I'm not sure if that's going to stretch like we talked about for week 20 for there to be enough, but we'll see. We can still do the demo at least like we talked about, and then if it seems like there's enough for everybody to take home maybe a quarter of a globe that we make, the quarter of the core and the mantle and the crust, the 3 colors of Play-Doh, then maybe they could do that. So anyway, I'll send this paper stuff home with everybody tomorrow so that you and your mom helpers can start cutting that. Gary was helping me last night. He said, "Are we going to cut all these circles?" I said, No. Okay, y'all have a great day. Bye.